Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I will share with you a new project. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, this is my Balsa Box camera, and I follow Gina. Hi Gina. Gina's Scrappinology. I think it's Scrappinology. Her YouTube channel, and I follow her tutorial and to alter this Balsa box, and yeah, it's very fun, and yeah, to make this. And thank you so much, Gina, for the tutorial. And okay, and I show you how my camera turned out. Okay, and yeah, I use this. You can see the pose, and yeah, I use this pose strand. Yeah, this, and yeah, I also listed this into my box Etsy store. You can check them out at my Etsy store. Okay, and yeah, I use the pose strand to, you can see, okay, you can see like so. And this is the flat back pose. I use the flat back pose, and the front here also is the flat back pose. And the paper, you can see this paper, I use this like this polka dots. I don't know how to call this paper, but yeah, it's a cream color. I love this, yeah, the paper. And I use the paper to cover the frame here. Okay, this is the transparency. Okay, and yeah, and this a bit different. My camera is a bit different with Gina. My one is, I can remove this. You can see, you can remove this because I plan to change the pictures inside. So yeah, if this removable, so it's easy for me to yeah, to change the pictures inside. I hope you get what I mean. And yeah, I just use the small dolly that Wilma sent me. Hi Wilma. And yeah, and this is the porcelain rose that Linda is live on now sent me. Hi Linda, thank you so much for the porcelain rose, and thank you Wilma for the dolly. And this is the sequin trims for my stash. Okay, like so. And yeah, I use my own picture because this project is made for my own self. Okay, just like so. And you can see for this the Balsa box, before I place this trim, is I use the acrylic vintage white to paint over the box. After that, I use this gorgeous, my favorite apricot beaded trims. Yeah, already sold out. Yeah, for my store. I just left some. Yeah, just keep some for myself. So I use this to alter the box. And also you can see I use these buckles, these square buckles. I forget who sent me this. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for sending me this to tie this handle. The ribbon. Okay. And I just hung some these charms, and these camera. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I use this, and this trinket that I think it's Shoba sent me this. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it's the heart shape, and I just hung the on the chain here. Okay, make the charm here, and the side also is this is the buckles. And for the top here, you can see I use the this flatback post and these buckles. This if I'm not mistaken is Lily sent me, yeah, from my winning. And also use some, you can see I use some the mesh playing I cut, and yeah, some small pieces to glue around here. And this, yeah, I also use this plain mesh playing that a friend from India sent me. Okay, and yeah, actually yeah, just a bit different here, just have a bit different from the tutorial of Gina. Yeah, the video, I mean the tutorial. Okay, and others is almost the same. I follow Gina the tutorial. Okay, and for this, I use this organza ribbons, you can see, and I use this with trims, you can see. Yeah, so turn up to mesh my camera, and inside here I just use the magnet, yeah, for the cover also, and the frame here also I use the cardstock, and also this underneath I use this paper. Okay, and yeah, it's very, I have just like I say, I had so much fun to creating this. Oh yeah, and this Balsa box is Margaret. Margaret is my Bella stamp. Hi Margaret. Yeah, send me. I only have this, I mean this type, this pattern. So yeah, I just want to make this for myself. Actually, I plan to make this project quite a while ago, since I watched Gina the tutorial video, but just have no time. But anyways, I'm sorry, my battery ran out. Okay, and inside just paint with the acrylic paint, and yeah, and the bottom also cover with the beaded trim, and the top here also, like so. And yeah, I really hope you all like my Balsa Box Camera also. And yeah, thanks again Gina for the great tutorial. And yeah, who haven't tried this yet, and you have to check Gina for the her tutorial is very easy to follow. Okay, and yeah, please leave me a comment and let me know what do you think of my camera. And yeah, thanks everyone for stopping by, and always leave me a sweet comment, and sweet and kind comments, and supported me all the times. And bye bye everyone.